Okay, Ugur, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Thank you very much. How's the weather today?
Yes.
How's the weather?
It's windy.
It is windy. Are you ready for our lesson?
Of course, I am.
Okay. I'll ask some questions about your daily routine. Okay. What time do you wake up every day?
Okay. I wake up at 7 every day.
7 every day. What time do you wash your face every day?
I wash my face at 8 every day.
I wash my face at 8 every day. Okay, good. Do you brush your teeth in the morning?
Yes. I brush my teeth in the morning.
Okay, what time do you brush your teeth in the morning?
I, br- I brush my teeth at 8 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you eat your meal every day?
I eat at 8 o'clock every day.
Well, what time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Okay. What time do you come home from your school every day?
I come home at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Do you sleep in the afternoon?
No, I don't sleep in the afternoon.
Okay. What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV in the evening.
Do you play football with your friends in the evening?
Yes, I play football with my friend in the evening.
With my friends in the evening. Okay. What time do you sleep at night?
I sleep at 12 o'clock at night.
Okay. Do you brush your teeth before you sleep at night?
Yes, I brush my teeth at night.
Okay, good.